Hi everyone, we are here with your weekly weekend update. It's myself, Natasha, and
Phil. How are you?
Phil on our weekly update this week. It's fantastic. So this weekend we have two open houses going on. We have one at our new listing at 124 Camelot Drive. It's listed at $339,900. It has 4 bedrooms, its own master suite upstairs, which is really nice and private. Really cute house, family home, detached. Go check that out at 10:30 with Matt. He will be there to take you through. And you can visit Phil at our condo in Emerald Woods at 624 Lakeshore Drive, Unit 8. This condo is available for immediate possession. It's a 2-bedroom up, 1 bedroom down, 2 bathroom, listed at $205. So go and check that out this weekend. Now, Phil, we have a few buyers out there. What are they looking for?
Sure do. We do have one couple looking for waterfront property, preferably 3 to 4 bedrooms on either Trout Lake, Lake Nipissing, something still fairly close to North Bay in the core. We also have a younger family looking for a 3-bedroom house, preferably in the Ski Club Graniteville area. And we also do have a few clients looking for multifamily properties. So if you do know anybody, please feel free to contact us with anything you might have evaluation on.
Absolutely, and if you know anyone that's looking to sell and you've worked with us before, we're always happy to help them out and lend a hand and give out some information. You can reach us at 705-475-2222. That's our weekly weekend update. Have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and hope to see you at our open houses. Thanks so much.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.